Hello students, welcome to Grade Up. Good evening to all of you and welcome to Grade Up, the largest platform to prepare for various entrance examinations. Okay, so we are preparing the students for CAT also, other entrance examinations like NDA, CS, engineering entrances, medical and MBA entrances also. Fine, other MBA entrances apart from CAT. So today we are going to solve that CAT 2017 slot 1 paper. It is part first of it. So myself is Narendra and I am welcoming you in Grade Up. So welcome to Grade Up once again. Good evening everyone. And if you are listening my voice, then say hello. So please revert as soon as possible. Yes, so I could start my class well on time. Okay. Hello Deepika. Hello Deepika, good evening. Hello Somik. Deepika, good evening. Yes, please. What about others? So please connect with our system as soon as possible so I can start the class well in time. When we will start within a minute or two at max, hardly we will take 1.5 minutes, you can say, to start the class. So I'm waiting for others so they should join. When they will join, I will start the class within a minute and a half. Okay. Yes, Deepika, fine, no problem at all. So yes, please. So connect with our system so I could start the class because time is running out. So, okay. So I would like to start my class right now. Okay, a few more people are joining. So, and some have already joined. Please, yeah. So connect with our system as soon as possible so I could start the class. Okay. So I'm waiting for 30 more seconds. So please be there on time. Okay. Okay. So I would like to start my class. And the first, this is the CAT 2017 slot 1 quantitative ability part first. So we are, as you know, we are completing each part in each section in 3 parts. You can say quantitative section will be completed in 3 parts. Similarly, the DI and English section. So that you could understand the things easily. So this is the first question that appeared in CAT 2017. So please, this is the schedule for the exam for our classes on YouTube. Please note down that schedule, which is the topmost priority of your. So please note down the schedule, take the screenshot of it. Okay, so the first question is this one, which is very easy question. If this variety of questions appears in CAT, then it is very easy to score 90 percentile, 99 percentile you can score if you could solve 25 questions. Okay, so Arun's present age is in years is 40% of Varun. Let's say Arun and Varun. Let's say Varun's present age is 100. That is of Arun, let's say 40, because it is 40% of Varun. So let's say the age of Varun is 100. So Arun is 40% of it is 40. If in another few months, Arun's age will be half of the Varun's age. So few years later, the age of Arun is half that of Varun. Okay. So in how many years it will happen, please? In how many years it will happen? In CAT, you can do it easily. Okay. If I add 10 in both the ages of both the persons, so it will become 110, it will become 50, but 110 is not the double of that. So if I add 20 in it, and if I add 20 also in it, after 20 years, this person will be of 60 and after 20 years this person will be of 120. Now the age of this person is half that of this. It is 120 now. Okay, no problem. And what was the question? The question is, by what percent will Varun's age increase during this period? So Varun's age was 100, now it is 120, it is increased by 20. So 20 is what percent of 100? It is 20%. Very, very easy question. Okay, so you have to take some analogy rather than making the equation. Please do the equation with the help of your common sense. Okay, so if 10 is added in the age of both, so age of A will become 50, that of B will become 110. Not going to work. If I increase 10 more, means 20 each in both in the age of both, so the age of A will become 60 and that of B will become 120. Now the age of A would be half of B. Now age of A is 120, age of B is 120, which is increased by 20%. Okay, as compared to the previous value. Okay, so move to the next question. A person can complete a job in 120 days. Okay, a person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on one day. On the second day, on day 2, he joined by another person who can also complete the job exactly in 120 days. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency, and like this, every day, a new person will, with same efficiency, will join the group or joins the group. How many days after days required to complete the job? Let's say the person who can complete the job in 120 days is working or is completing 1 unit in a day. If the person is completing 1 unit in a day, so in 20 days he has completed 120 units of work, and that's it. This is the total work to be done. Okay. You can assume 2 units per day, so it will become 240. You can assume 3 units per day, then in 120 days he will do 3 days 60. So no problem at all. You can take any value. Now on first day, only one person is there at work. He has done 1 unit of work. On second day, 2 persons will be there. Okay, so the work done by them would be 2 units because 1 each has done by both the person. On the third day, 3 persons are there and they have completed 3 units of work. On fourth day, 4th person, and keep going on like this. On the 10th day, there are 10 persons and 10 units of work completed. Yes or no? So first day 1 unit, second day 2 unit, third day 3 unit, fourth day 4 unit because 4 persons are there having equal efficiency, and similarly on 10th day 10 persons are there having same efficiency. So every person will do 1 unit of work. So 10% can do 10 units of work. So in 10 days they have completed the sum of all the values from 1 to 10. So 55 units of work they have completed. So total work is 120 unit. Out of 120, 55 they have completed. Okay. Now 11th day, 11 people are there. So 11 unit of work will be completed. On 12th day, 12 unit. On 13th day, 13 unit. On 14th day, 14th unit. On 15th day, 15th unit of work already completed. So as of now, from first day to 10th day, they have completed 55 units of work. And from 11th day to 15th day, they have completed 65 units of work. Please add these values. So they have completed 55 plus 65, total 120 units of they have completed in how many days? From first day to 15th day, total number of days are 15. So the correct answer is A. Okay. So please you have to add all the values from 1 to 15. It adds up to 120. So the number of days taken by them is 15. No problem at all. So you can do this question. Very easy question to do. Very, very easy. Okay. Any problem to any of you? Why we are considering only 1 unit? I told you can take 2 units also. No problem. You can take 3 units also. Answer will remain same. Okay. I will take 3 units. No problem. Let's say the person who can do the work in 120 days can do 3 units of work in a day. So in 120 days, he has completed 360 units. No problem. So first day, only one person is at work. So he can complete 3 units. On second day, 2 persons will be there. So they will complete 3 plus 3, 6 units. On third day, 3 persons will be there. They will complete 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 units. On fourth day, they will complete 12 units and so on and so forth. So if we add all these values, okay, then 3 will be taken as common. So if I take 3 as common, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and keep adding up to 15. So total unit of work they have done, the sum of this value is nothing but 120. So 120 into 3, total work is nothing but 3 into 120 is equal to 360 units of work they have done in 15 days. So doesn't matter whether you will take 1 unit, you will take 2 units, you will take 3 units, or any number of units you will take, answer will never going to be changed. Now, I think you understood. I think you understood, Deepika. No problem. So you can take any number, okay? Now, move on to the next question. An elevator has a weight of limit 360 kg. An elevator have limit of weight of 360 kg, 630 kg. 630 kg it can lift. Any elevator can lift at max 630 kg of units. It can carry a group of people of whom the heaviest person weight is 57. Heaviest person 57 and lightest person 53. So heaviest person weight is 57 and lightest person weight is 53. Okay. So what is the maximum number of possible people in the group? Okay. Let's say all the person are equal to the lightest. So each person having 53 kgs of weight. And if 10 persons are there, then the total weight in the lift is 530. If 53 is the weight of one person, and if 11 persons are there, then the lift can carry how many kgs? Please add 53 in it, 583. If 53 is the weight of every person and 12 persons are there, then the lift having weight how much? Which is nothing but 53 more than this, okay, which will become 536. And sorry, 636, okay, and lift can carry at max 630. So 11% cannot sit in the lift, cannot go to cannot be lifted by the lift, okay. So at max, if the weight of every person is equal to 53 kgs, so at max 11% can go by lift, okay, can go by lift. If every person having 57 kgs of weight and 10% would be there, so total weight in the lift is 570 kg. And if let's say 57 is the weight of every person and 11% would be there in the lift, then lift can carry how many persons? Please tell me. Yes, how many persons? Please tell me. Yes, 57 get added in it. This answer would be how much? Okay, add 57 in it. It will become 627, I think. Okay, 627. So 620 and lift can bear a weight of 630 and weight of 11%. If every person having 57 kgs of weight, so 11 persons total weight is nothing but 627 kgs. It means lift can carry 11 heaviest person as well as the 11 lightest person. So at max 11% can be carried by the lift. So lift can carry at max 11%, be it heaviest or be it lightest. So I will take either the lightest weight or the heaviest weight. Doesn't matter. 11 would be the right answer. So you can do. Okay, I think you got it. Move to the next question. Okay. A man leaves his home and walk at the speed of 12 km/h and reaches his railway station 10 minutes late, 10 minutes after the train has departed, means 10 minutes late. If instead he walked at the speed of 15 km/h, he would be early by 10 minutes. He reached there 10 minutes before the departure of train. Okay. The distance from his house to railway station is, let's say his house is here and railway station is here and distance between them is D. Okay, so time taken by the person D to travel the distance D at the rate of 12. So distance upon speed is equal to time. If the person travels at the rate of 12, time taken by the person is D by 12. And if the person travels at the rate of 15 km per hour, so time taken by the person is D by 15 to cover the same distance. And if he covers this distance at the rate of 12, he would be late by 10 minutes. And if he covers this distance at the rate of 15, he would be early by 10 minutes. It means there is a difference of 20 minutes. With this speed, he is late by 10 minutes. With this speed, he is early by 10 minutes. So difference between the two timings is nothing but 20 minutes. Because the speeds are given in kilometer per hour, and difference between the timing minutes, so we have to convert these timings into minute into hours also. So 20 minutes is the gap between these two. Okay, and I have divided it by 60 to convert it into kilometer per hour. Okay, no problem at all. So we can say that 60 would be the LCM, that is nothing, 5D, it is between 2D, that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, or 20 by 60 you can say. So 60 will be get strike out by 60. So the value of D is equal to 20. So the distance from his house to railway station is 20 kilometers. I think you got it. I think you got it. I think you got it. You people got it? Any problem to any of you? Deepika, your answer is 0.33. 0.33. No, 0.33 is not the answer. Its answer is 20 kilometer. Okay. I think you got it. So move to the yes. No. Okay. No, I have divided it. Okay, no problem at all. So no problem at all. So I think you got the answer. No problem. You can do this question with the help of formula. So there is a formula. Okay. If a person covers a distance at the rate of E, he would be late by, let's say, T1 units of time. And if he covers the distance at the rate of V, he would be early by T2 units of time. Okay, then the distance he is covering is nothing but U into V upon V minus U into T1 plus T2. T1 and T2 are those timings by which either he is late or early. So here D can be calculated. U is nothing but 12, V is nothing but 15. 15 minus 12 is 3, T1 plus T2 is 20, because it is in minutes, we have converted into hours. It is nothing but how much? 15 4 ja 60. It is nothing but 3 4 ja 12, 4. Okay, 3 4 ja 12. So you can do 4 will be strike out by this. So 20 would be the answer. So you can do this question with the help of formula. So please note down this. So U is the speed by which he is late, and V is the speed by which he is early, and the timings by which he is early or late is T1 and T2 respectively. So please note down this formula. So you can answer this way, but no need of formula, I think, is there. Okay, move to the next question. Ravi invested 50% of his monthly saving in fixed deposit. This 50% in fixed deposit. Okay. Okay, no problem at all. And 30% of the rest, 30% of the rest is 50%. 50% he has deposited, so remaining value is 50. And 30% of it is 15%. 30% of this remaining is 15% in stock. Okay, and remaining in saving bank account. The saving bank account remaining is 35%. 50% gone. 15% of this value means 30% of this value is 15% of total, and remaining 30% goes to bank. And now it is given for the saving account and fixed deposit. Saving account and fixed deposit, total amount he has invested is 59,500. The fixed plus saving, 85% gone. So it means 85% of the entire value is equal to 59,500. Please, it is given. Whatever amount he has put in the fixed deposit and whatever amount he has put in the saving bank account, total is equal to 59,500, which is equal to 85%, yes or no, of total. So 85% is equal to 59,500. So 100% is the total income or not? So total income is 100%. So 17 5s are 17 3s are 17 5s are this much. It is nothing but how much? 17 7s are. So it will become 70,000, I think. So it will become 70,000. So the right answer is 70. So 85% is equal to 59,500. So 100%, which is the income, is nothing but equal to this much. So I think you got it. No problem at all. Okay, very good, nice. Everybody is getting. Okay, 72. If a seller gives a discount of 50%, 15%, sorry, discount is given, that is 15%. Okay, on the retail price, discount is given on retail price. She still makes a profit of 2%. Let's say cost price is rupees 100 and selling price is definitely 102 because 2% profit is there. Are you getting my point? Still getting a profit of 2%. Okay, I think it should be 20% or something like that. 2%, no problem. Okay, 2%, no problem. Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? Okay, now he is selling, let's say the cost price is 100, selling price is 102, and retail price, which is MRP, MRP is nothing but something else. The discount of 15% given on this, every price is 100% of itself. 100 is 100% of itself. 102 is 100% of itself. MRP, whatever it was, 100% of itself. 15% discount we have given. So it means the selling price, this selling price is nothing but 85% of the mark price. Okay, so selling price is nothing but 85% of the mark price because 15% we have given a discount. So we have taken only the 85% of the, we have charged only 85% of the mark price. So 85% of the mark price is that value on which we have sold it. So 102 is 85%, then MRP is 100% or not? So that is nothing but 17.5 jar, 17.6 jar. This value is nothing but 120. Everything is clear. It means the MRP is 120. Cost price is 100. Maximum retail price is 120. If a shopkeeper want to make a profit of 20%, then he or she has to sell it at MRP because cost price is 100, MRP is 120. If the person sell it for 120, then and only then he will or she will earn a profit of 20%. Then she has to sell it at the retail price. Then the right answer is D. Are you getting my point? I think it is right. Deepika is saying absolutely right. Yes, Swamik is saying absolutely right. Yes, very, very good. Very good. So what about others? Okay, it is also going to that it is multi-streaming actually. So we are streaming it in many channels, sorry. So move to the next one. Okay. It is given a man travels by a motorboat down a river to his office and back with the speed of river unchanged. If he doubles the speed of his motorboat, then his total travel time gets reduced by 75%. The ratio of the original speed of the motorboat to the speed of the river is. Okay, it is a very good question. Okay. Let's say the distance from his house to his office, let's say this is office, is nothing but let's say d kilometer. So when the person is traveling d kilometer at the downstream, then the speed of motorboat is u, that of stream is v. So this is the time taken by the person. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, and when he will come back from office to house, that time he was upstream, then time taken is this much. So this is the time taken to go down, go to the office. This is the time taken to come back to home. This is the total time of entire journey. Okay. If the speed of boat get doubled, means u will become 2u, then downstream speed would be this much. And upstream speed would be twice u minus v. It is given in the question. If the speed of boat doubled, okay, then a downstream speed would become this much, and upstream stream would be this much. So this is the total time to go down and come up. This new time would be 75% less than original. It means this new time is definitely 1/4 of the original time, old time. Okay, so D can be taken out, so D will be get strike out. So our answer would become what? 1/4. It is nothing but U minus V plus U plus V upon U square minus V square. This is 4, okay? And on the left hand side, D will be get strike out. That is twice U minus V plus twice U plus V upon 4U square minus V square. Are you getting my point? This is 4. Okay. Now V will get strike out by E. V will get strike out by V. What would be the value? It is nothing but 1/4. Yes, numerator twice of U upon U square minus V square. And on the left hand side, 4 times of U, please, 4 times of U upon 4U square minus V square. If you solve them, if you solve these equation, your answer would be B. Please solve them. Your answer would be B. Please solve them. You can solve easily. 4 will go that side. It will become 16U. And you can cross multiply. You will get strike out by U. So this U, where is U? This U. This U will get strike out by this. And you can easily solve the question. So your answer would be what? It will become U square upon V square is nothing but equal to 7/4. So therefore U upon V is nothing but root 7/2. So this would be your answer. Please solve it. Your answer would be there. Okay, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? No need of the value of U and V. Okay, no need. Please, no need of the values there. Please, you can do this question without taking any value. So cross multiply them. You will get U square upon V square. That is nothing but 7/4. Please cross multiply, solve it on your own. You will get the result. Okay, so move to the next question. It is given that C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 are the 4 companies. Okay, 4 companies. The profit made by C1, C2, C3, okay, the profit made by C1 is to C2 is to C3 is nothing but how much? That is 9 is to 10 is to 8. Okay. And the ratio of the profit made by the company C2, C4 and C5 is nothing but how much? It is 18 is to 19 is to 20. Okay. So you can do this question with the help of, first of all, we need to convert it into a single ratio of C1 is to, C2 is to, C3 is to, C4 is to, C5. First of all, that is my first job. Which one is the common value among them? Definitely C2. Here C2 is 18, here the C2 is 10. C2 is represented by 10 in the first and 18 in the second, by 18 in the second ratio. Take the LCM of 10 and 18, it is 90. Definitely 90. So if I put 90 here for C2 and 90 here for C2, okay, it means I have multiplied 18 by 5, then and only then it will become 90. So I have to multiply C4, the value of C4 by 5, it will become 95. I have to multiply this value by 5, it would become 100. Ratio remains same. 18 is to 19 is to 20. If we divide this value by 5, this by 5, this by 5, then ratio would become 18, 95 and 100. So it is 100, it is 95, it is how much? 90. Okay, C2 is 90. Okay, C2 is 90. And okay, C2 is 90, okay. Now, here we have put the value of C2 90, we have made C2 same in both the side because that is the common value. So by which we have multiplied 10, 9. If I multiply 10 by 9, then and only then it will become 90. So we have to multiply this 9 by 9, this in 8 by 9 also. So multiply this as well as this by 9, it will become 72. So the value of C2 is nothing but 72 and that of C1 is nothing but 81. It is given. Now C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 would be there. So they are in the ratio of 81, 90, 72, 95, and it is 100. Okay, so what we did, we have made the value which is common in both the ratios same by taking the LCM, and rest is there. And it is given if C5 has made a profit 90 crore more than C1, 90 crore more than C1, it means C5 minus C1 is equal to 19 crore. So C5 is represented by ratio 100 and C1 is represented by ratio 81. So 100 ratio minus 81 ratio is equal to 19 ratio is equal to 19 crore. So if 19 ratio is equal to 19 crore, it means every ratio is equal to 1 crore. So 1 ratio is equal to 1 CR. It is given what was the question? Then total profit made by all 5 companies. Then total profit made by all 5 companies is nothing but this plus this plus this plus this plus this. If you add the profit of C1 81, C2 90, C3 72, C4 95, C5 100, then it would become equal to 438. And because 1 ratio is equal to 1 crore, so 438 ratio would become 438 crore or not? Then the correct answer is A. I think you got it. I think you got it. It is a very easy question to do. Okay, everything is given. Difference between C1 and C2, ratio wise 19, crore wise 90 crore. So it means 1 ratio is equal to 1 crore. So if we add all these values, it adds up to 438. 1 ratio is equal to 1 crore. So 438 ratio is equal to 438 crore. Okay, no problem at all. Move to the question number next. The number of girls appear for an admission test is twice the number of boys. Okay. If the number of boys appeared, let's say 100, so number of girls appeared double of it, let's say 200. It is given 30% of the girls. What is the 30% of the girls? Let's say 200 girls are there and 30% is 60. 60 girls took admission and 45% of the boys. What is the 45% of 100 is 45. It means all in all 105 students get admission in the college. Then the percentage of candidates who do not get admission. Total candidates are 300. Out of 300, 105 made it to the different colleges or college. So 195 out of 300, 105 get admission in any one of the colleges. So 195 left out of 300 into 100, then percentage is nothing but what? It is 65. Okay, it is 65? I think so. So 65% student left out. So the correct answer is D. Yes, are you getting? Yes, Deepika? Yes, Amit? Everybody is getting? Yes, 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 it is easy, very easy. Okay, so move to the next question. A stall sells popcorn and chips. Okay, popcorn and chips. Okay, popcorn and chips. And there are 3 types of packaging: large for L for large, super large, S for super large, and J for jumbo. Okay, okay. Super large, and jumbo packets. Okay, in its stock are in the ratio of 7, 17 and 16 for popcorn. So large are 7, smalls are, supers are 17 and jumbos are 16. So they are in the ratio of 7, 17 and 16 for popcorn. And when we talk about chips, it is nothing but 6:15:14. Okay. So what we have to find out, if the total number of popcorn packets are equal to the total number of chips packet. Okay, it means total number of popcorn packet and total number of chips packet in totality are equal. It means as many popcorn packets are there of all varieties, as many chips packets are there of all varieties. It means total is same. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio between the jumbo packet of popcorn and that of chips. Okay. So please do the sum of this. The sum of the ratio is this one, is nothing but 16 and 17 is 33 plus 7 is 40. So jumbo popcorn, JP means jumbo popcorns are nothing but 16 out of 40. It means it is nothing but 2 out of 5. Are you getting my point? It is nothing but 2 out of 5. When we talk about jumbo packets of chips, JC means jumbo chips, JC means jumbo chips are nothing but 14 and this 29 plus 35. Out of 35, they are 14, so they are also in the ratio of 2 by 5. Okay, it means we have to take 2/5 of the same value because total of popcorn and total of chips packets are same. So we have to take 2/5 of this total value and 2/5 of this total value of chips, which is same. So 2 by 5 is to 2 by 5 of the same value is nothing but in the ratio of 1:1. So the jumbo chips packet and jumbo popcorn packets are in the ratio of 1:1 because total popcorn packet and total chips packets are same. So we have to take 2/5 of the same value, which is again equal. So the right answer is 1:1. The answer is this one. It is a very easy question to solve. Okay, I think Deepika, Soumitra, you got it. Okay, any problem? No problem. Okay, move to the next question then. In a market, the price of medium quality mangoes is half that of good quality. So there are two prices of good quality and medium quality. So medium quality is of rupees 1 per kg. So good quality are of rupees 2 per kg. Let's say double it is given. So medium quality half of the good quality. A shopkeeper buys 80 kgs of good, 80 kgs of good. These are the prices, okay? And 40 kgs of medium. So these are the quantities purchased. 40 kg medium and 80 kg jumbo. Good. Market, okay. And from the market and then sells all these at a common price, which is 10% less than the price at which he bought the good ones. His overall profit percentage is. His overall profit percentage is. This is a very, very easy question to solve. Very easy question to solve. Okay. Now he has purchased 40 kgs of this and 80 kgs of this. That the quantity he has purchased in the ratio of 1:2. The quantity he has purchased in the ratio of 1:2. Okay. If 2 rupees is the cost price, or 2 rupees or 200, you can say, and I will take it 100. If 200 is the cost price of good quality per kg, so 2 kg he has purchased for rupees 400. No problem at all. And if 200 is the cost price of 1 kg of good quality, then 400 is the cost price of 2 kg. And 100 rupees is the cost price of medium quality. And he has purchased only 1 kg. Then the cost invested by the person is 100. So total cost he has invested is nothing but how much? 500. Okay. So total kg he has sold 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 kgs. And he has sold all 3 kgs at the rate of which is 10% less than the cost price of good one. What is the 10% less? 10% of 200 is 10% of 200 is 20. So 20 rupees less means selling price is nothing but 180 rupees per kg. If 180 rupees per kg is the selling price, then 3 kg he has sold for rupees 540 or not. So this is the selling price of all 3 kgs. So this is the cost price of all 3 kgs. This is the selling price of all 3 kgs. He has saved 40 over 500. The profit is nothing but what? 8%. Multiplied by 100 also now. So the profit is nothing but 8%. So this is the answer of the question. Got it? Got it? Yes? Got it, Prateek? Samit? Deepika? Any problem? I have reduced down. Please in CAT you have to scale down the question. Rather than multiplying 80 by 200 and multiplying 40 by 100, I have taken the ratios. Okay, if you take the values, quantities in that ratio, your answer would be always on the right side. Okay, so if I multiply 80 by 200 or I multiply 40 kg by 100, the answer remains same. There is no change in the answers. But only thing is I have to write more. So I have to invest more time. Okay, so to curtail the time, I have taken only the ratio. Okay, so no problem. Yes, Pradeep Goyal, any problem? Yes, you do have problem. Okay, you got it now. No problem. Yes. So move to the next question. If Fatima sells 60 identical toys at 40% discount on printed price, then she makes a profit of 20%. Okay. Let's say cost price of per article is 100. Then selling price must be 120 because there is a profit of 20%. Then the mark price, because the discount is given on the mark price, and every value is 100% of itself. 100 is 100% of itself, 120 is 100% of itself, and whatever was the mark price, that was the 100% of itself. And 40% discount we have given on the mark price. It means we have sold the commodity at the 60% of the mark price. It means 60% of the mark price is rupees 120. Then 100% of the mark price is definitely 200 or not. So this is the mark price. Okay, so this is the mark price. I think the mark price is 200, cost price is 100, selling price is 120. 10 of these toys are destroyed. So 10 toys are destroyed. Okay, so total amount, total cost. The cost is 100 rupees per toys and she has purchased 60 toys. Then total money invested is 6,000. Okay, if the selling price of each toy is rupees 120, then she wants 7,200 in her pocket. It is 20% more than this, no problem. Because 10 toys get destroyed, so only 50 toys left. Only 50 toys left. Okay. But she wants to make the same profit. It means she wants to collect 7,200, but not buy 60 toys. Now by selling only 50 toys because 10 get destroyed. So then the new selling price of every toy, 7,200, we want to collect from 50 toys. Then the selling price of each toy must be 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 5 4 ja 144 rupees. Rather than 120, now we have to sell everyone at the rate of 144. Mark price is nothing but how much? 200. Now the new selling price is nothing but what? 144. So discount of 56 need to be given 200 minus 144. 56 rupees discount we need to given at the rate of 200 into 100. Then the discount percentage is nothing but 28% now. This is the answer of the question. Are you getting or not? Are you getting or not? Pratik, are you getting now? Yes. Deepika, you are saying all right. Yes, what about others? Yes, what about others? Yes, Soumitra, on the other channel. You got it? Pratik, now? No problem? Okay. So move to the next question. Oh, so here the first part ends here. So please score 99 plus percentile. A comprehensive course for CAT 2020 we are launching. 150 plus live classes we are providing to you. 45 plus mock tests of CAT and other MBA entrances we are providing. Top quizzes, PDFs for revision we are giving. 800 plus practice questions we are providing to you. Take 5. So prepare and ready to score 99 plus percentile. Okay, and be a topper. Okay, so start free trial classes right now. For any purchase related query, you can call on this number, which is 96500-52904. So please take the screenshot of this. So you could be one of them who could score 99 or more percentile. Fine. So prepare smart, prep smart, score better, stay safe, and go grade up. So please tell me, how was the class? Have you got it something? Any problem? Yes? Please tell me quickly. So I would like to conclude here. I'll be coming soon with the second part on Saturday of this paper. So it means 2017 paper was not that much difficult. So all the question 12 or 13 I think we have solved today. These can be solved easily. Okay. So you can solve 25 to 30, any number from 25 to 30 in any of the paper. Thank you. It was first time I was being in class. It was good. So thank you very much, Deepika. Thank you, Pratik. Thank you, Soumitra. Thank you everyone who are taking classes on the different channels because it is the multi-streaming. So thank you very much for the day. We'll be meeting on Saturday at the same time. Okay. So till then, goodbye. Goodbye to you.